What we have for sale on eBay today is a very nice 1957 Ford Thunderbird with 8,316 miles since the restoration. It's a beautiful car. I'm going to take you around a little bit here and show it to you, and then we're going to start it up and show you how smoothly it runs. Beautiful restore, great condition, new battery. We've got the hard top, and the convertible top is behind the seat. Comes with it. Great condition. Okay, now we're going to open up the trunk and show you inside the trunk. I have the original jack instructions on the lid, and some of the original manuals that come with the car. Restore specs. Trunk's in great shape. You go ahead and close that and we'll look at the inside. Nice restoration on this car. Tops are in good shape. It's got the automatic. And again, the convertible top is behind the seat. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start the car and show you how smooth it runs. Very quiet, very smooth. Very nice 1957 Ford Thunderbird. If there are any questions, my name's Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.